Welcome to my channel Educational Wisdom. Today we will discuss an important question on line graph. The given graph represents straight line, S. 2y equals minus 2x plus 2c, 2. Y equals minus x minus c, 3. 2y equals x minus c. Option A I and 3. Option B I and 2. Option C 3 only. Option D 2 only. Description: I2y equals minus 2x plus 2c, at x equals minus c, y must be 0. 2y equals minus into minus 2c plus 2c, 2y equals 0, y equals 0. Option I correctly represents the given straight line. Description: y equals minus x minus c, at x equals minus c, y must be 0. Y equals minus into minus c cy equals plus c minus cy equals 0. Option 2 also correctly represents the given straight line. 3. 2y equals x minus c. At x equals minus c, y must be 0. 2y equals minus c minus c. 2y equals minus 2cy equals minus 2c, 2. Y equals minus cy is not equal to 0. Option 3 does not represent the given straight line. Note: the value of x on y-axis is 0 and the value of y on x-axis is 0. Finally, the correct option is B. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.